Hello everyone, welcome to the Unifab channel. Thank you all for your valuable feedback. We constantly strive to continuously improve the product experience. In this technology video, we will introduce 4 models of the Video Upscaler feature. Speed Optimized. This model aims for ultra-low latency and achieves efficient and stable real-time video upscaling through multiple cutting-edge technologies and architectural innovations. Quality Optimized. This model focuses on enhancing video upscaling quality by combining numerous innovative technologies and architectural designs to achieve precise detail restoration and efficient inference. Anime Optimized. Tailored for the unique visual characteristics of animation content, it delivers high-quality anime video upscaling and detail enhancement. Texture Enhanced. Uses spatio-temporal networks with self-attention and multi-scale fusion to accurately restore and enhance detailed textures in videos. We sincerely appreciate the strong support from our community. Without your feedback, today's breakthroughs wouldn't be possible. Now we can't wait to invite you to experience the full power of Unifab.